Welcome back. There is the view from Carter Mountain as we look off to the north and west. And yeah, we've got abundant clear skies out there. Yes, we have a breeze, and yes, we are beginning to enter the deep freeze. The Arctic front crossed the region this morning. It did bring a band of cloudiness in association with it, and then we started to see our temperatures fall. Let's go to the weather computer now. We can take a look at our temperature. First of all, there's some of the clouds this morning captured by Jack Cameron there in Waynesboro, and of course some of those clouds in association with the actual leading edge of the front, and of course the winds kicked up and then the skies begin to clear out, and certainly you felt the difference in the temperatures have been dropping since early this morning. 32 currently at the airport, a northwesterly wind there at 12. We got wind chills in the 20s. Look at the dew point. The dew point right now is either in the single digits or minus single digits. Right now 0. That's a good indication of this Arctic air mass in place and the pressure rising rapidly and again very strong. So this is Arctic high pressure that's building in from the upper Midwest and the Ohio Valley, and that sets the stage for a frigid overnight. This is the coldest air mass we've seen since Christmas. 27 currently at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, a northwesterly wind there at 17, making it feel like it's in the teens. Dew point in the negative territory. This is the kind of atmosphere that you can generate static electricity, walk across the carpet, touch a metal object, and you'll get a zap. Temperatures right now with most locations at or below freezing, and we're only going to get colder as the evening wears on. So right now we've got a wind chill at the airport of 23. Feels like it's 15 in Stanton. It feels like it's 23 there in Palmyra. Feels like it's 21 currently in Louisa. So the winds are out of the north or northwest, again allowing that colder air to filter in, and that's been the case throughout the day. So temperatures tonight generally in the low teens across much of central Virginia, upper single digits in the Shenandoah Valley, and just a little bit of wind. The wind speeds will come down. It'll still feel like it's in the single digits area wide. So hopefully you make sure all pets are indoors, that you're certainly layered up and certainly keeping warm for these cold conditions. Now, after tonight, temperatures will start to come back up. Tomorrow's still a cold day, abundant sunshine, but temperatures generally in the mid to upper 30s. And then like flipping the light switch, temperatures on Sunday will come up markedly into the low and mid 50s. Warmer air begins to work in and high pressure moves offshore. We'll have southerly winds. That will come with some cloudiness on Sunday, but it'll be much milder in comparison to where we are tonight and where we are tomorrow. So you can see the clear skies that have overtaken the mid-Atlantic, high pressure across the upper Midwest. We still have that northwesterly wind, a little bit of snow shower activity downwind of the major lakes. And you can see this frigid air mass, the core of it's going to pass across the northeast in New England. That'll be the brunt of it, but it's going to be short-lived because the pattern will change. So this trough will begin to lift out after tomorrow. By Sunday, we'll start to see temperatures moderate, and then we get into the first part, middle part of next week. We're well in the 50s and some 60s for daytime highs, so a quick warm up there. But a frigid start tomorrow morning, single digits and teens, a cold afternoon with abundant sunshine, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Clouds increase on Sunday, but again, that's the leading edge of a milder air mass as we top out in the lower 50s. Tonight then, single digits and teens, quite frigid. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. After tomorrow, temperatures start to come back up, and look at these temperatures next week, 50s and 60s, very spring-like once again.